Okay, as part of everything I spoke about in the previous video, doing a little trip this weekend because we've been sort of unexpectedly off work. I bought one of these fast charging USB port things that go on your handlebars to put on the Beamer to charge a phone, put some GPS on, all that sort of stuff. So in preparation for this and future trips, we will mount this thing up and see how it goes. Okay, so best place I could find to mount it was sort of in there. What you got to do is lift that up and then slide it back, and then you've got a USB port. Now, typically BMW, you have to lift the tank to connect the other end, this end, to the battery. So quickly lift the tank, connect those up, and then yeah, should have USB power up on the front of the bike. I did think about switching this plug for a sort of matching other half and then just cut that wire and do it that way straight to here, but I don't have the plug, so for now we'll just have to go to the battery straight. Okay, so that's another job done. So you can see it fits pretty good over there. I'm sure it's working. I haven't tested it because I don't actually have a USB anything with me at work, but it's pretty straightforward. I have to take the tank off on this thing, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, but it's not so bad because everything's quick release. So yeah, fitting a USB charger, job done. Next thing.